pairs of shoes or just individual shoes? Like 2 shoes?
Maybe I was supposed to throw it best. I only throw the individual shoes.
You just drew 1 shoe. She's going to think you have like 1 leg. Oh, he's missed from 3 yards again. Yeah, that's what you said the last 2 times. Herman, what'd you put, iron in those balls or air? Mate, they're absolutely, look, it's about to take my foot off. It's one of those cartoon characters. Huh? It has like the PSI on it. 10 PSI. I don't know what its PSI stands for, but there is no give in this. There you go, pounds per square inch, says the engineer.
It's good.
It's not good, mate. That's going to last us about 7 days. Oh yeah, you heard it.
But it's supposed to be like this. It's a football. They want me to take it out.
How's that one, yo? Let me feel that one. Oh, that one could do with a bit of air. Couple of PSIs in that one.
In the winter, if it's really cold and you get it like in your leg and it's flat and it hurts way more than if it's hot. Like if you're playing in minus.
I've got to say I disagree.
12 Celsius.
If it's hard and it hits your leg, it probably hurts more.
No.
No?
It's flat. It hurts more.
Right. Here, Bellamy, don't kick it. Take some PSIs out of that. That one's not flat. Here, Herman. Pass me Bjornsson. Yeah, this one is very hard. I hate this day. Just wait for people to turn up. We should just do it at 12:45. Good touch, Will. See you later, yo. Herman's just killed a tree. He's just smashed one of his 18 PSI balls into a tree limb. I'll put it top corner. Oh. Yeah, it's pretty hard. Come on, boys! Ah, I've just been bit. Gillespie. Oh, okay. Good enough. Let's start getting our head on for the game now, Thursday, boys. Start rocking and rolling this week. Concentrate. This red cone, 1 group of 6 on the red cone, 1 group of 6 on the far red cone. All right, here we go. Careful who you choose. That's all I'm saying. On the red cones, they're yellow. On that red one, there we go. Let's get it right. Turn positive, Gillespie. Come on, Brett, let's go. Let's go, Yuri. Good boy, Kyle, well done. Next one. Come on, let's keep the quality high. There it is. Good pass. Well done. Good football. Good boy, Ezra. Good boy. Well done. Let's go from the other side. We're going to have Kyle, whatever side the corner's on, he's going to be out wide. So if we can head the ball out wide to the same corner, let's do so. If we can clear it out to Kyle in here, Kyle's going to make sure that he gets to the ball first. I wonder what that was. I thought it was my leg. Wasn't. Right. I thought it was my left leg on my right leg. It wasn't. It was a friggin' giant spider. I think we're being incredibly defensive in here.
Good.
All right.
That's a great ball.
It's a good ball. All right, boys, go get a quick drink. With you, coach. You're good. 5 minutes, cool down. We're a good side. We've got a lot of talent, but we've got to put it into action. We've got to put it into action, and it takes the whole team. All right? So make sure we stick together, help each other out. Okay? If people are down in confidence, let's pick them up. All right, so I want to commend you for doing well through pre-season. Like I say, we've been on you and it's been tough, but that's how pre-season is, boys. It's hard. It's not a stroll in the park, it's hard. Because it's going to prepare you for later on in the season. When you're feeling like you're going to running into the ground in the 90th minute, you're going to have to keep going for another 5 minutes. You're going to have to see games out, and that's why we've been hard on you in here. Win on 3. 1, 2, 3. Win! Good boys, well done.